Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn newsletter content with Substack, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your LinkedIn newsletter content with Substack, first, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile and find the newsletters section. Select the newsletter you wish to back up. Open the latest edition of your newsletter. Copy the entire content of that newsletter. Next, log in to your Substack account. If you don't have a Substack account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, click on the New Post button. In the New Post editor, paste the content you copied from your LinkedIn newsletter. Ensure to format the text accordingly for readability. Add a compelling title to your post on Substack. Consider including relevant tags to enhance discoverability. Once you're satisfied with your post, set the visibility to public or draft, based on your preference. Preview your post to check for any formatting errors or adjustments needed. When everything looks good, click on the Publish button. Repeat this process for each edition of your LinkedIn newsletter you wish to back up. For ongoing newsletters, establish a routine to back up your content regularly. This will help ensure that all your valuable content is safely stored on Substack for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.